Welcome to my channel. I'm visiting Bon Echo Provincial Park, and this is an awesome park, and this is my second trip, so I'm coming back. I have reached to the beach, so we are going to have lunch over here first, and then we will walk. Okay, so now we are heading towards the canoe rental over here, and I'm seeing lots of chipmunks over here. Look at this viewpoint, unreal. This place is magical, and I love the reflection. This is the canoe rental at Bon Echo Provincial Park, and in the back you can see we have a canoe rental, and then this is a lagoon, and then in few minutes I will walk to the Narrow, which is a very beautiful. So this is the Bon Echo canoe rental again from a different view. So people are renting over here. Over here we have a signage for the amphitheater. Narrows, there's a very beautiful point, and then Greystone gift shop, tour booth, and visitor center is also on this location. Okay, so this is the amphitheater. This is the amphitheater for the events over here. So this is the amphitheater in Bon Eco Provincial Park. Thank you. Okay, so now we are heading towards the Narrows, which is a very great point. Some look. We are now heading towards the Narrow. Over here, people go from one side to another side of the Bon Eco. So one more canoe is crossing through the channel. This is an awesome view, and there is one more red color. Okay, so now we are heading back, and this time we are taking a different route. Watch out. More views of the Bon Echo. Okay, so we took the difficult route and now we are back to the lagoon where we started from. But this was a good hiking as well. It was a nice spot.
No, did you get it working?
Now we are heading towards the car. It was a beautiful day, sunny, and weather was nice.